Central RC here once again. Out here in this truck, about to take a little trip. See some friends. Pretty much just, what is the weather outside? It's 47 degrees outside right now. Scope Creek, like I told you guys before, is closed down, shut down, all that good stuff for the winter until next season. I'm gonna be coming through, doing a bunch of wrench videos. And today, like I said, Saturday, I ain't gotta work today. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little trip. I'm gonna go pick up Mikey. I know y'all remember him from Virginia Beach.
Crazy to say.
And that's my brother-in-law, like a brother to me, brother. I'm about to go scoop him up. And we got a little something special for you guys today. I guess you call it RC related. It's still gonna be a little bit RC related, but hope you guys enjoy it. Alright. Go ahead and sit tight. Yeah, we're gonna make this left up here. Oh, so we got Mikey up in the truck. Gonna take it down. Gonna head down here today with me. Ride out with a couple of buddies and shit. So, I didn't mean to say that. But we're gonna ride out. Look at it. Do a little something today. So we heading that way, man. We heading to Southern Maryland to go hook up with another buddy of mine from work. My man Mike too. So y'all stay tuned. Alright now, so here we are. Out here chilling. Got some fam out here. Good peoples. Got the grill going. 4-wheeler out this jump. Doing a little bit of target practice. That's how you do it. Grill over there getting it in. That's how you do it, baby. Got the drone out. Gonna try and get some footage with y'all for y'all today, but you know how that gonna go. We got the HK. My baby underneath here. 20 gauge Mikey bought out here. We're gonna get it on. Whose AR is that? That's your AR?
All this mine.
All is yours?
Except for the SIG.
Alright.
Oh, that bitch right there, right? That's a motherfucker. That's that Dukes of Hazzard. Yeah, that bitch right. I want to shoot that bitch myself.
That bitch ain't got shit on that 4-4 though.
I know. That's what Bubby said.
You gotta shoot this, Joe. Just say you done it.
That's the motherfucking
Damn. Respect to that jump.
That's all you.
This was the first ones?
Nah, that first one you hit was this one.
That was the first one I hit?
Yeah, then you did these.
These were already here, right?
Yeah, I know you did these. Like this little one, that's the older dude, the uncle.
And I was aiming right on this joint. So what's in there? You ain't never gave me no motherfucking ham. Or nut. Look at this junk, man. This is crazy. You got the crab bushel Jones.
That's what I said. We got the house on the water. That's what we did. I told you those oyster tongues.
Mike got all kind of crazy stuff in here. He got all this antique stuff. Look at this stuff, man, from the windows. I mean, from the roof rafters. And then you come down 2 more steps and look to your left, and there's a big old plasma screen on the TV. Yo, he got tobacco hanging from the jump. That jump been, how long has it been here, yo? Yeah. 10, 15 years tobacco been hanging from the ceiling. Shoot. Can't be no worse than any other cigarette you put in your mouth. Alright, now I don't know if you ever seen one of these before, but this is the speed loader. So you load up your 223s or 5.56 shells, put the clip in at the bottom. You got a 30 round mag. So I'm gonna load this joint up 30 rounds. Just doing 30 this time because I'm curious to see if it actually holds. So let me see if I can do this. Holding this jump. Bow. Ready to go, baby. That's fun right there.
Yeah, second one down, right?
Yeah, second one down. Which one you had me aiming at before?
Same one.
Same one?
Yeah.
Shit, I was way at the bottom.
I saw him right in the middle of the second and the third one.
I only saw one right there.
Yeah.
It's only one there.
The other one was all the way down. That's why I said you was low as shit. Down and to the right.
Yeah. I ain't know it was that low. That joint low as a mud.
They said it's shooting real low. So maybe we were turning it the wrong direction.
I don't know what's going on. You ready?
Yep.
Huh?
You in between the third and the fourth one, but to the right.
So it's coming up then?
Yeah, it's coming up. You want a second target? I'm sorry, you want a third target? To the left, you want the top half of that third target.
Top half of the third target?
Yep, you're to the left a little bit. Show it off with that motherfucker. So, this was that first one you hit. Then you went down here.
Uh-huh.
Then you went up here.
That was breathing. That was all breathing
Okay, then
shit.
you went farther over here. Then you went back down here, and your last two was right here.